Well, it is a misty, snowy, foggy Sunday, November 17th. We had a big warm-up in the weather, and I think they did statewide, so we're about 34 degrees right now, which is pretty normal for this time of year. And we got some snow overnight. We got about an inch of wet, heavy snow, and now it's misting a little bit. But we're gonna do a little more of an official ice measurement here and see what we come up with. All right, this is what you want to see when you are looking at early season ice. This is just perfect ice. This black clear ice is by far the strongest ice that you can get. That cloudy white ice that you get sometimes early when you get precip on it is not very strong, but this is as strong as it gets. Let's see how much ice we got. It's quite a bit for this time of year. We are sitting at, holy smokes, if you can see that, that's about 7 inches of perfect ice on November 17th. That is awesome. I have it on good authority that 2 days ago, this part of Seagull was almost entirely frozen. And then we had a 30-mile-an-hour wind and it busted it open and piled up all the ice down here, and here we are. What I hear is that in the islands down here there's 2-3 inches of pretty good ice, but the big parts are still open. So we'll see. It's going to take another good cold snap for Seagull to freeze over, but once these lakes start to skim over and then open up, the water is so cold that it doesn't take much. One calm night at 10 degrees and that might be it. First time ice fishing this year on November 17th. I'm just out on round, out in front of the resort. Don't have high hopes, but it's always nice to get out, especially this time of year. Nice little northern.